Kitty, you like paper? Oh, man. You have all that food in your bowl, but you want paper. Maybe you could talk now because you're eating all these, like, letters. Be like that dog on PBS.
Oh, Lord.
I wish I had something important you could eat, like something that I wouldn't mind you eating. I mean, I don't mind you eating this, but I wish it was something at least, ha, she ate it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. You want some more? Oh, yeah. Kitty. Kitty loves your paper.
That's so funny. Goat accused.
I love you, Kitty.
Stacy. Goat
Love
accused
you,
of robbery.
Kitty.
Harry?
Huh?
Goat accused of robbery.
Yeah, you want some more?